Do you know what one of these are? Yeah, I didn't really know what this was either. My mom just said, hey, try this. And I wasn't exactly 100% sure. But then it's called a pitaya. Pitaya. Some of you may also know it as dragon fruit, which contains a lot of fiber, antioxidants. It's also considered a superfood. So I'm feeling kind of the outside texture kind of has like kind of a little bit of a rubbery texture. There are some sharp points like thorns, so you have to be a little bit careful. And so how might one eat this? I want you to kind of think of this a little bit like a kiwi slash pear, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it two different ways. So this is one way you can cut it. One way you can cut it is just directly in half like this. And as you cut it in half, you can see that inside it has like almost what looks like black sesame seeds and a white kind of fruit, like a white pear, you could say. I've heard the taste is very similar to a kiwi and a pear. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of dip the spoon, and you can see it's very malleable to the spoon. Oh, it's very fruity, very juicy. Try another one. So if you had a sweet kiwi or a golden kiwi or a pear, a soft pear, you can kind of gather what the texture might feel like. Although the sesame seeds, or what looks like black sesame seeds, may look like sesame seeds, I would just say it adds just a little bit of crunch to what is here. It's very easy to chew. See, I'm pretty much done with what's inside there. I've heard some other people also cut it vertically as well. So you saw that one, I kind of cut it in half, right? But this one, I'm gonna cut vertically and see if that is any different. Once again, today is my first day trying these dragon fruits, and so I don't have tons of experience, but I'm just seeing, what the different kinds of ways to eat this. I will say the taste is very good. So this is what it looks like when you cut it vertically. Let's see if taking out the fruit is any easier. I would say it was very easy already by cutting it in half. Just same smooth texture, very juicy fruit. It's not difficult to chew this at all. I can almost swallow this straight. That's how much water there is in this fruit. It's very easy. It's very easy with the spoon to get the meat out of here. And it goes down very easy. So if you're like, don't have a great appetite, but you want to eat something healthy, this is like really good. Well, that's the other way. So one is to cut it kind of like vertically, the other one is like horizontally. I think it goes fine both ways. But if you haven't tried this fruit, this dragon fruit, this pitaya, I recommend it. Sometimes it's my mom said it was at the Korean market. They sell in boxes like this. If you were to look at this, maybe that wouldn't have been the first thing that you would have purchased. But I'm trying it now, and it's pretty good. So thank you, Mom.